Hi there, I'm Scott with Total Lighting Supply. I'm the product manager and I'm the guy who looks at all the new products before they go on our website. They have to get past me first before they go there. I just got back from Lightfair and I have a whole number of new things to look at that you might be interested in looking along with me right when I open the box. I'll go over what I think and what I see and give you an idea of sense of scale, sense of quality. I think it'll really help. It'll help us and it'll help you making selections for your project. And as usual, if you need anything at all, we have a whole crew of people here that can help you. We do this all day, every day. So we're here to answer your questions. So without further ado, let's get started right away. So we're going to introduce our new wall wash fixtures. And we've been waiting for years for these. Now, wall wash fixtures and track lighting, when I first got exposed to them years ago, they were 300 watt halogen fixtures. And they were hot, they were energy pigs, but they put out a pretty good, wash of light. Then they went to a fluorescent fixture, which was a big fixture. It was actually bigger than this. It was, I'd say 2 or 3 times bigger than this fixture. It was fluorescent. They worked pretty well. They used a couple of U-bend tubes in them. The biggest one was 110 watts, and they provided a fairly good wash. Some of the older shopping malls, you'll see stores where they still have them. They're out there. So we waited and waited and waited, and finally we got something we really liked, and we got 3 of them at once, which was a great deal. These are all LED. They're small fixtures. They're lightweight. They're ultra long life, and I'm going to be going into a lot of detail here in a minute about that, some of their real specifications. But what's nice about these is they put out a very even and extremely wide beam of light. Like here in our little lab, we have it about 3.5 feet from the wall, and it's lighting a wall that's 9 feet wide and 8 feet tall, and even splashing a little bit on the floor. So it lights all of it, and it lights it evenly without any shadows. It's a soft light, and that's important to know. So if you have a track that's ultra close to the wall by someone's mistake, this might be the way to go. If you want to light up the whole wall, this is a way to go. If you want to provide just some general illumination, this might be another great option for you. So, think about that. They are at 4000 K, so it's a cooler light than a halogen. And the reason we went that way is normally we find these inside of commercial applications, art galleries, retail stores, things like that. If you were going to use one at home, the only place I could think you'd want one is in the kitchen, where a wider light is accepted. Kitchen is a workspace. It'll give you a lot of even light across the countertops without a lot of shadowing. In fact, we have one kind of lighting this right now, and you can see there's not much shadowing here. So it's a good general wash of light. And for that, we really like it. And like I said, we've been looking for something like this for years. So I want to point out a couple of things before I get into the hard details and specifications. Each light has an HStyle connector, and the HStyle connector is set up with this little pin here. This is the hot. And you can take a needle nose pliers and you can move that pin up and down. So here, let me give you kind of a little rotational look at this HStyle connector for single or dual circuit track. Now, it's not going to fit your Lightalier or your Juno. And if you have a question on what track you have, we have drawings on our website that kind of lay that out, or send us an email with a picture of your connector and we'll know right away what it is. So that's important. When the light fixture is up on the track, and of course it turns and it rotates up and down. That's what these knobs are for. Now the light fixture here in my hand looks pretty big, but when it's up on a 9 or 10 foot ceiling, it almost disappears, and it comes in white and black. So we want, in most commercial applications, a very unobtrusive lighting. That's important, because when people walk in, say, your art gallery or your retail store, they're not walking in there to buy track lighting. They're walking in there to buy your merchandise and your product. And if your product is displayed correctly, brightly, evenly, with some depth and shadows, and that's why we use track lighting in the first place, to give that drama, your sales will increase. We see it over and over again, where lighting changed in a store and their sales went up 1,700% within 6 months. It's huge. Lighting is everything, and it's quite often overlooked. Now, back to the light fixture. 3 different sizes. each one with different lumen outputs. This was obviously the highest and largest, highest lumen output, and all the details and specifications on our website. So let's talk about some, just kind of an overview of the specifications on each lighting fixture. As I said, it's a soft, even wash of light with little to no shadows. Fixture is often offered in 3 lumen outputs, has an incredibly high color rendering of 91%, with a guaranteed color consistency. Currently at 4000K for a slightly cool but not cold color, for in-home use only in a kitchen, but perfect in art galleries, retail, and other commercial applications. And you can see more about Kelvin temperature on our lighting blog. A lot of details there. Dimming information. Multiple dimming options available, with smooth dimming down to 10% of the full light. After 10%, almost all LEDs drop off to 0. So it's not like dimming a halogen, but it's close, very, very close. These are made by a major manufacturer, very well known, with a 5-year limited warranty and a minimum of 50,000 hour life performance. And on the housing, all the LED wall wash fixtures are designed using a cool LED advanced thermodynamic design. Heat management systems are engineered for extremely long life and service period, simple with clean lines and forward modern design. We love this fixture. The LED driver is an electronic constant current LED driver compatible with triac forward phase or leading edge dimmers and an input of 120 volts. And like I said a minute ago, want to make sure we're clear, compatibility. Fixtures are shipped standard to be compatible with a 1-circuit or a 2-circuit type H-track, which is the most common. And all of our track, of course, is HStyle track, and it works with all of our track systems. And it's adjustable. Track heads are adjustable using a movement system that allows you to adjust and readjust track head positions to deliver light wherever you need it most. And once all the angles have been set, each track lighting will stay in place and readjusted for the next display. We love this light fixture. We waited a long time for it, and we're really happy to offer it on our website. So thanks for watching, and take care, and let us know if you have any questions or problems.
At Total Lighting Supply, we understand the importance of your time. Not everyone can be a lighting expert. We're not just about selling you light bulbs, light fixtures, and light components. We're also about helping you achieve amazing and successful lighting results in your space. We hope that our video series will assist you in achieving your lighting goals.